Today, being 16th November 2025, being Nkpo Market Day, what I discovered around 6 o'clock a.m. in the riverine area will shock you. Just pay attention. Watch very carefully and closely to the nature. Just watch. Keep watching. You will discover what I discovered today. What I discovered today will make you cry. Now watch. The road is very lonely, very narrow, and very scary. Just keep watching now. Keep watching. Now, are you seeing that ghost? See that spirit? Are you seeing it? If you don't have mind, you cannot even stay here. Now, keep watching. Watch carefully and observe. Tell me what you observe on the comment section. Just keep watching. Keep watching now. Just look at what will happen now. Look at. Just keep watching. Look at where it's going to now. Just look at. Are you seeing that sun? Are you seeing the reflection? Are you seeing the reflection of that sun? Now look at what will happen now. Just look at the miracle now. Just keep watching. Keep watching. Keep watching. Are you seeing? Are you seeing? Okay. Very, very close now. Very close to the discovery. Now watch. Look at what will happen here now. Just look at what will happen here. Look at what will happen here. Look at what will happen here. Look at what will happen. Look at what.